Single multi-factor authentication. Authentications is the process of proving that a person or system is who they claim to be. Authentication is based on three authentication factors: Type 1, Type 2, Type 3. Type 1 is something you know. For example, password. Type 2 is something you have. For example, smart card. Type 3 is something you are. For example, your fingerprint. Single-factor authentication requires only one of the three factors for authentication. Single-factor authentication are passwords, passphrases, one-time passwords, and personal identification numbers, PINs. Multi-factor authentication are two or more of something you know, something you have, and something you are combinations. Multi-factor authentication are tokens, certificates, and biometrics.